Just last week, I reviewed the new Sonos Sub Mini. You can view the video by clicking the link on the top right corner of this video. Unlike my previous videos in the past, I deliberately separate the review video and the setup video. So from now on, you can go to the setup video without wasting your time watching the review. So to begin, obviously, you need to update your Sonos app to the latest version. Get the sub and the dock ready. Plug in the cable in and make sure it's all the way in and snug. Not like this, but like that. And plug in the Ethernet cable, just like that. Or you can use Wi-Fi, but I always recommend to use Ethernet cable whenever possible. Open your Sonos app. You plug in the power cable, press this button. See Sub Mini shows up on your app. Click add. Click continue. I usually only allow Sonos to use location for once. Wait until the Sub Mini is ready to be connected or joined. You need to have the 8-digit PIN. Click yes. Now I have to flip the subwoofer. You see the numbers there. You put the pin down there. Click continue. And then you click that blinking light again. And then you wait. You can see it's done. And then it will ask you to update the firmware of the Sub Mini. Click update. And as you can see, this is the update progress bar. The one on the left, that circle there.
A few moments later.
And when it's done, it shows this screen. You click done. Now it will ask you whether you would like to connect the sub to the system that you have in the house. So if you click connect, it gives me the choice which speaker I want to connect with the Sub Mini. In this case, I want to use the speaker unscripted. There. I click yes. And then it's adding Sub Mini to the unscripted speakers that I have. And it's done. You click done here. That's it. All you have to do now is do the True Play. Just note that the True Play is only available for iOS and not Android devices. So that's it. It's nice and simple. What do you think about the new how-to video? Leave your comments down below so we can start a discussion. And thank you very much for watching. Also, goodbye.